Has the pandemic altered the landscape of event planning and execution? Undeniably, yes. But how exactly did it affect the industry? And what solutions did we come up with to adapt to these changes? Moreover, as we transition into the post-pandemic era, what challenges have emerged, and how do we address them? During the pandemic, the event industry had to quickly adapt to the new normal. The necessity of social distancing and travel restrictions pushed us to explore virtual platforms, which opened the door to larger and more diverse audiences. We found cost-effective ways to provide captioning solutions, and we could beam in experts from around the world without significant climate impact. This shift also gave us unprecedented access to attendee data, helping us understand their needs better. However, as we moved our events online, we also developed habits that, although suited to the lockdown, are less effective in the post-pandemic world. One such habit is the tendency to neglect rehearsal and preparation. During lockdown, an event could be set up quickly, but as we return to in-person events, the lack of preparation is noticeable. Rehearsals are crucial for improving the professionalism of an event and reducing stress levels for both presenters and the AV team. The pandemic also led to a lax approach to starting events on time. Holding doors for late arrivals sends a message that tardiness is acceptable, but in reality, timeliness is key to maintaining the flow and structure of an event. Moreover, delivering video content in session without properly testing the audio can lead to technical glitches and poor sound quality. And while we relied heavily on cloud and video conferencing applications during lockdown, using these services in a live event environment requires a different approach. Also, the pandemic forced many to skimp on equipment and staff, compromising the quality of audiovisual and technical elements. But it's important to remember that high-quality events require sufficient investment in technology and personnel. We shouldn't forget the lessons learned during the pandemic, but we also need to recognize and rectify the habits that don't serve us well in the post-pandemic world. As we move forward, let's focus on rehearsing, starting on time, preparing content in advance, investing in the right equipment and staff, and using technology wisely. After all, an event isn't just about gathering people, it's about creating an unforgettable experience. In summary, the pandemic has transformed event planning and execution, leading to innovative solutions and new challenges alike. As we navigate the post-pandemic world, let's strive to enhance the quality and impact of our events, taking the best from our experiences during lockdown while leaving behind habits that no longer serve us.